Illusion is the blind spot. You see.
Okay.
You're coming into this world, you're thinking this is real, this is the reality of your existence. That itself is a blind spot. You understand?
Yeah.
The reality is reality, many dimensions of reality. If you're thinking this is only reality, that is the problem. You understand? Many dimensions coexisting, but mind is thinking this is all the dimension, this is all the reality. That is the problem. See, blind spot meaning your vision is only seeing one small slice of reality. What is on this side, what is on this side, disappearing from your vision. It's like that. Everything over there is gone. You're only seeing what is in front of your eyes. Only seeing what is in front of your vision, what you're thinking about. You understand?
Thank you. Do you give me permission to ask you a question? I have another question. When you are born, is it true that you have a kind of purpose to live this life in a mission, as a karma? And can you get aware of that during your life?
No purpose.
No purpose.
You're simply here in this life to enjoy.
To enjoy.
Enjoy. You see, mind is thinking, I have a purpose, I have to do something, I have to create something, I have to resolve something, I have to heal something. That is the illusion of the mind. Nothing to heal, nothing to resolve. Everything is perfect in this moment. You see, you are not in this body thinking, you are the essence of all reality, you are experiencing this moment, but you are not this moment. When you're thinking you are this moment, when you're thinking you are this body, then your mind is thinking, oh, I have a purpose, I must do this, I must do that, I must meet this person, I must heal the world. Like that. You can do what you want, but you must enjoy. You can heal the world if you want, no problem. But it is not the purpose of your existence. The purpose of your existence is simply to express who you are. And who you are is beyond everything you can imagine. Everything in the whole universe is also beyond your experience. That is who you are. You see.
Some people say that you are in a kind of flow, in the flow of life, and when you are in the flow of life you feel good, everything goes naturally. And some other people, they only feel contrast, that they have to fight, and they are not, they are told they are not in the flow of life. So this is all a bullshit story.
Bullshit story. Everything is bullshit. All the story is bullshit. You understand? Mind is creating story. Reality is different. Reality is you're in the flow, you're in the river, you are the river. You see, existence is flowing every moment, but mind is thinking, oh, I am seeing things distinctly, I must control this reality. Because if I am not controlling reality, then I am losing control. When I am losing control, reality is gone. I am gone, finished. That is the illusion of the mind. You see, everything is always in the flow. Everything is always in the perfection of existence.
It's a pity so few people are aware of that. They are struggling and they don't see that.
Yeah, the struggle is there. Struggle is the reality that you're creating, then it becomes a reality. But struggle is not in the universal reality. It is only in the human reality. You understand? Mind is creating struggle. Mind is creating duality. Then you are finished. Like that.
Thank you.
So why is the mind doing that? Why does the mind need to struggle?
Mind has many functions. Mind is not a problem. Mind is simply there, it is functional. It is there to save you from disappearing into the river. You know, you lose your balance, you're gone. You walk in the balance in the middle of the road, that is the function of the mind. Problem is not in the mind. Problem is in the attachment you're creating in the mind. You see, you're attaching yourself to one thing, then you're controlling reality. If reality is not matching that thing, then you're suffering. You understand? Mind is not the problem. Mind is very important. Mind is coming. Mind is creating. You're experiencing reality in one particular fashion. Many dimensions of the mind also, you understand. What you're thinking about the mind is only one level of the mind. There are many dimensions, many functions of the mind. But if you are trapped in the mind of the control, then it is a problem. You're leaving out all the other information download. Download, you understand? It is, like Kiara was telling me, computer is there. You can download information on the computer. It is like that. All the realities, all the universe is like a computer. You are tuning into the reality, but you can only download what is there in the mind to download. The rational mind, thinking mind is only downloading one tiny little fraction of the reality. Other dimensions are there, but mind is not able to perceive it. You see, that is the problem. You're thinking, oh, this is reality. Only physical reality is real. That is the problem that you're creating in the mind. You see, mind is not a problem. What you're thinking about reality is only one function of the mind. Mind is beautiful. If you're experiencing things as they are, it is beautiful. You're seeing things, oh, I am experiencing the beauty of this. Ah, happy. Mind is otherwise comparing, judging, then it is a problem. This is better than that. Grass is greener on the other side of the river. That is the problem. You're becoming lost. You're lost in the past. Most of the time you're lost in the future also. Thinking, oh, in the future I will be better. I will do something different. Everything will be okay because now, not so good. That is the problem. Then you lose the moment. The mind is creating the future. Mind is lost in the past. The moment is gone. You see.
So you just have to accept things as they are.
You simply accept things as they
And why
are.
can't some
In
people
the
like me?
perfection of life, the universe is always creating perfection.
Yeah.
Everything is moving like the wind. The wind is blowing, everything is coming, everything is going. Nothing the problem. Problem is only when you're thinking you must stop the wind. How can you stop the wind?
Yeah, it seems so easy, but not for me.
It is very simple. Maybe not easy, but it is simple.
Yeah, the idea is simple.
It's not easy, but simple.
When you look to the development in the world with all the different networks creating a lot of electromagnetic fields like the GSM, the handholds, Wi-Fi for the computers, how is that influencing the fields which are around us, the bigger fields you were speaking about.
Bigger fields are there. They are fields of consciousness.
Mhm.
You understand? I am not
Yeah.
talking about electrical magnetic field.
Okay.
Yes, electrical magnetic field are there.
Mhm.
Wi-Fi, I know, is what you are using to communicate on the computer.
Mhm.
Wi-Fi. No problem. It is there. Problem is not in Wi-Fi. Problem is when you are stuck in the illusion that reality is only construction of the not that. When you are stuck in the illusion that reality is over there. Wi-Fi is there, no problem. Consciousness field is much bigger than Wi-Fi field. We field. We are the field. Like that.
That's interesting.
Do you have a favorite saying?
Better not to speak. You can talk. I have many things that are inspiring for me. My master is telling me something. Most of the time it is going in one side, coming out the other side. No,
Mhm.
I cannot remember anything because I am not attached to anything. You tell me something, it will become my favorite saying in that moment. Tomorrow I will forget. Next moment it will be gone. Kiara is coming one day to my cave. He's saying, I am looking for master.
Mhm.
I'm saying, you're looking for a master, you go find yourself. I am not a master.
Mhm.
He's saying, no, I am here. I want you to become my master.
Mhm.
I am saying again, you looking for a master, you go somewhere else. No, he's saying, I'm staying. I am sitting. And I'm saying, okay, you're sitting here, you go into the corner, you shut up. You close your mouth. Like that. He's sitting in the corner. And after some time, he's opening his mouth, asking all these questions. I'm saying, close the mouth, sit in the corner. After some time, then all the knowledge is coming. Everything that is needed is there. You see. You're talking about the mind. Many levels of the mind. Most of the time people are in the monkey mind. You know monkey mind? Monkey. Jumping up and down, jumping up and down. All the time. Jumping up and down. When the monkey mind is going like that, everything else is finished. All the other realities are gone. Then only left is the chatter. Talking. Most of the time people are talking. But they're not saying anything, only talking.
Most people think the mind is between the ears. Kiara told us yesterday that wisdom is in your whole body and you have to learn to listen to your body.
Wisdom is in the body. See, that is my favorite saying in this moment. Wisdom is in the body is everywhere, you see. The body is not in the body, in the physical body. Body is in the universe. All the universe is your body, you see. When you understand that, no problem. When you understand that, you're in the flow of the river. Then the monkey mind is gone.
You are one with the wisdom.
You are one with the wisdom. You are the wisdom. Nah, not even wisdom. Wisdom, when you say the wisdom, you're saying, oh, this is wisdom and this is ignorance. No, everything is wisdom. There is no such thing as ignorance from that level of consciousness. You understand? Only the mind is ignorant. When it's ignorant, it is thinking it is wise. All the wisdom of the mind is ignorance because it is only thinking on the level of reality. Like that.
Can I ask something?
Yes.
When you see people who are very much in the monkey mind and they are destructive for themselves and the surrounding and the children, can I help someone to be conscious that they can get out of the monkey mind? Is that possible?
When you are getting out of the monkey mind, automatically everybody around you will get out of the monkey mind.
Okay.
You see, it is a transmission. It is a radiation. You are out of the monkey mind, you are transmitting a different frequency of reality. People will look at you, they will dissolve. You will dissolve, they will dissolve. Simply like that.
So I have to visit them when I'm out of the monkey mind myself, and I want to help them.
Like that. When you are out of the monkey mind, you are helping them already. Nothing you have to do anymore. You are out of the monkey mind, all the projections are gone, all the interpretations are gone, all the judgments are gone. Then you are seeing everybody as they are. You are seeing everybody in the purest essence of being. And when you are seeing everybody in the purest essence of being, then they are coming alive. All the problems are gone, all the ignorance is finished. You see, you don't have to do anything. You're simply out of your own monkey mind. That is helping everybody. It is very simple. You don't have to save the world, you don't have to carry the burden of everybody on your shoulder. Most of the time you're carrying the burden of everybody on your shoulder. You're breaking your shoulder, you're breaking your back. Nothing is helping anybody. Only the monkey mind is going, oh, I am saving somebody by carrying them on the shoulder. Not really necessary. Like that.
Thank you.
How can you train yourself to get in that total conscious, because you are taken in the daily stress situations all the time? How can you train yourself to shift to this higher level? Do you need a guru?
No. That is what I'm telling Kiara all the time. You go find yourself. You see, when you understand who you are, when you understand the illusion as it is, then you can see reality as it is. Only like that, you're pressing a switch, button. Like that. You don't have to meditate for 50 years in a cave. I am living in the cave, I am enjoying the cave. But some people are saying, oh, you must be so enlightened, you're in the cave 50 years, 70 years, 90 years. I am not saying anything about anything. I am simply enjoying in the cave. You understand? You want to create a program, you can meditate. You can do all kinds of, Kiara is talking about Ilainur. You can do that. You can do anything you want. But that is not going to save anything. That is only technique. Technique is not anything that will take you anywhere. It is what you're doing because you're doing. The thinking mind is saying, oh, I am doing something good and therefore I will get enlightened. You're thinking enlightenment is an experience you must get. You're thinking you do this, you get that. Cause and effect. Right? Cause and effect. See, consciousness is everything everywhere. All the time. When you're experiencing yourself as you are, you're not in the world of cause and effect. Nothing you're doing is important. Doing is coming from being. When you understand who you are, then the doing will follow. But you're trying to do something, the being will not follow. You understand? All you must do is remember who you are. You think you are this body, this ego, mental consciousness, that is one reflection of the ultimate consciousness. It is not who you are. It is what you think you are, yes. The mind is having a function like that. But you're thinking, oh, this is not myself, this is a reflection of myself. I am this vast universe, I am popping into a body. I am experiencing this reality in this moment. I am incarnating in this planet, and now I am going. I am dropping it, like I am going to bed at night. I am taking out the clock, I am putting it down, I am going to sleep. Like that. You are coming into an incarnation, afterwards you're taking off the body, you're putting it to sleep, you're putting it in the ground, and you're going. You see, once you understand that, it is simple. You don't have to spend years and years in meditation to understand that. Now, in this moment, you are understanding who you are. Many people are going a whole lifetime searching for themselves. Who is searching? That is the self. You see, many times people making it too much complicated in the mind. And then they're thinking, oh, I've spent so much time on this spiritual journey. Now, I must be enlightened. You're thinking, oh, it is not so simple. Therefore, only I am special now because I have achieved something. I have done something, because all the time people are thinking they're useless. They're thinking I am not worthy. They're thinking, oh, I am a sinner. I must struggle. I must suffer. And only after that I will get enlightened. No. Not like that. In this moment, when you know who you are, that is enough. And that is the beginning. Then you continue your life here enjoying. No purpose, only to enjoy. You understand? But problem is, when you're thinking about everything, you're comparing yourself to everybody, you're thinking I am not good enough, it is not possible to enjoy. You see, then you're searching for something. You're searching for something because you want to escape from something. This moment is not good, this planet is not good, this reality is not good, who you are experiencing of this moment in yourself is not good. Therefore, you are searching for something. Grass is greener on the other side. Over there. Maybe you go to the other side and then look at this side, and then grass is greener on this side where you are already.
At the other side.
Then you go to the other side and see, oh, same side, grass is green, grass is green. Then you're aware of who you are. No comparison. Not necessary to compare.
With most people here, they are more a human doing than a human being.
Ah, that is the saying, the wise man.
Thank you. But it seems that you are conditioned to do all those things, to be better than our competitor and struggle for the championship and that kind of things. And sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, and that pleasure and frustration is most part of our life. You say it's simpler, more simple than that. Why are so many in a struggle of stress and pleasure?
It's like that. I am not telling you why. You must answer that question for yourself. Why are you creating the illusion? Illusion is there. Problem is not why. Problem is it is there. Yeah, let it go. Dissolve. Gone. Finished. Not so difficult. When you're thinking about why, all the time the mind is thinking, oh, if I understand why, then I can solve it. You can understand anything you want to understand, doesn't mean you will solve it.
No.
It is the reality in this moment. Not for everybody you understand, but for some people it is a big reality. You are creating the reality of ignorance. You are creating the reality of suffering. You are creating the reality of the struggle. Yeah, simply uncreated, no problem. You understand? You are a creator. You must understand how important that is to be a creator. You are not a victim of anything. You are thinking you are a victim, that's a problem. Then you are finished. Then all the time you will experience reality through the eyes of a victim. Then somebody will beat you up, and somebody will push you down, and somebody will do something you will not like, but it is not somebody else, it is you in your idea of the victim. You are creating that also. You see, you are still the creator. When you are creating the idea of the victim, all the universe is helping you to fulfill that idea. That is how powerful you are. You see. No struggle necessary.
Thank you.
It's all the conditioning. Program in the mind. You know, you put a program in the computer, what is it called? Windows operating system. You put the Windows operating system, then the program is saying, oh, duality, everything is duality, separation, and then you must experience the struggle and the suffering and the fear. You just take out the program, put it somewhere else. You put it in the river, then you're happy. You put in a new program. I am infinite consciousness. Everything is simply part of the creation. I am you, you are me. Everything is in perfection all the time. Finished. Simple. Like that.
Currently, I'm following a training for POA to assist people to come to the other side. But when I understand you right now, it's just an illusion.
You tell me what is illusion.
Illusion is what the mind makes of what it perceives in this world.
Wise man. What you're perceiving is what is creating. Like that. What is in this room is different for everybody. As you're perceiving, so you're creating. You understand? If the duck is coming up in this room and looking around, the world is very